and thank you for joining me in learning how to do a single Dutch braid. Take your two index fingers and create a half circle in the front of your hair or a small triangle. Just like the basic 3-strand hair, divide your hair evenly in 3 parts. Take the middle strand and go on top of the right strand. Now the right strand is now in the middle, and make that go over the left strand. The middle strand over the left, and the middle strand over the right. You have now started the foundation of your single Dutch braid. Grab a small piece of hair from the diagonal front all the way to the back and combine the two. Now take the middle strand and go over the combined strand. The combined strand here is now in the middle. Grab a little bit of strand of hair going from this end all the way to the back. And combine the two. Now take the middle and go over the other strand of the recently combined strand. And repeat the process. I like to smooth out my combined strand before I push it to the middle. It makes everything untangled and smooth. Continue the process until you reach your shoulders. Sometimes you will feel ridges. If you do, just simply loosen your tension on your strands and take your fingers and comb through. Make sure that you use a light touch or you might disrupt what's already there. When you feel confident that you have smooth surfaces, continuing gathering and combining your strands. You are now entering the 3-strand braids. Pull it over to the side. Pay attention to the middle strand. Your middle strand is going to go on top of the strand that is furthest away from you. And go on top of that strand. And continue as before. Always make sure that middle strand goes on top of both strands. That way your Dutch braid will be uniform and smooth. Take a ponytail holder of your choice and wrap up the ends. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or comments, post them down below. Your hair should be absolutely comfortable to you, make you feel beautiful and confident. And I'm so glad that you joined me today. Thank you for reflecting life through you.